The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for SoFi Technologies. You can see that we had two legs down. I'll show you guys that right now. So this was one leg down right here, and this is a little magic trick I'm going to show you guys. If you just move the arrow over to where the second leg started, you can see that we came very close to making a perfect measure move down. We bounced a little bit early, but I still think we can probably go a little bit more lower, and I'll go over the reasons why. So macro pattern is this range. You can see it's been in play pretty much since May, April of last year. So it's pretty much 1 year of pretty much nothing. If you're a bull, if you're a buy and hold trader, then obviously you probably didn't make any money. Depends on where you sold, but you can see that pretty much didn't do anything for pretty much a year. So right now we're near the low, so we could go a little bit more lower because there is a little bit more room right here to the 480 level. So it looks like this bounce is kind of weak right here, so we could see a little bit more higher prices, maybe back to the EMA to fill in this gap right here, to test this breakout. But that's a maybe. We can also just drop down lower rapidly towards the 480 level. So I don't know which one's going to occur. We're not in an area where it's easy to say what we're going to do. For example, you can see the high point right here. It was easy to say, we're probably going to come back down to this EMA due to multiple reasons. We were near a resistance level because in the past when prices were at this level, it sold off. We were overextended, meaning we were super far from this blue line, which is the average price given amount of period. So you can see how we are far from the average price. The 21 bar EMA takes the average of the past 21 bars and has more weight to the ones that were closer to that nearest date, and you can see that price is sold off. Obviously it was pretty easy to say that. Now we're over here, so it's not really a lot of things you could say about this. I mean, you could do a bunch of things, but as right now it's probably going to be weak and roll over to the bottom side of the range. If not, we could probably just see a little bounce higher, maybe to the $6.22 level. So not much to say here. I don't see a big movement. We already had two large legs down, so I mean the big moves are kind of already done. So we're probably gonna see smaller movements take place in the next couple of days to couple of weeks. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies. I'll go over the pattern or the structure that can play out for the coming months, maybe even the rest of the year. And you can see how prices were range bound back over here between the $14 and $23 level. Then we broke out in the downtrend. Now we're inside of a similar structure, but at lower price levels. So you can see that prices are having a hard time breaking through this $8 level. We're finding support near this $4.50 level. So basically what can occur in the future is just more of this flat line price action. Usually that occurs after a big dump or even a huge move up. You can kind of see some flat lines. So basically it's just the aggressive sellers taking a break. The big aggressive sellers are probably just out of the positions currently, and it's just the smaller guys fighting it back and forth right here. But as right now, I don't see a lot of upside or downside. The big moves have occurred to the downside. We can go a little bit more lower, or we can go a little bit more higher. I'm not sure. I can't be calling $20 SoFi. I don't see it on the chart. I'm just saying a random number at that point. I don't see it on the chart. But as right now, probably just gonna be flatlining for most of the time. Once we get back up to the $8 level or maybe the $4.50, then we could probably see the big moves. But when we're in the middle of the range, you can see how it's kind of dead. Most of the time you see this consolidation. In the top, you can see that we just get rejected quickly. You see the big moves from the tops and bottoms of the range. And right now in the middle, probably gonna see some consolidation too. So just not much to say for SoFi. I thought I'd give you guys an update. And that's all I have for SoFi Technologies. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised at what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.